Hey, welcome guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure VS Code for Laravel environment. Okay, first you need to open VS Code editor. Just type it as code in terminal, or you can directly click on open code editor. Okay, come to this extension section, and you have to install these extensions like PHP IntelliSense, Betra Line. Okay, these are the important plugins for working with Laravel. Okay, PHP IntelliSense, Betra Line, and Laravel Blade, and Laravel Blade Snippet, Laravel Go to View, and PHP namespace resolver. These will help you to do program very quickly. Okay, basically I will not recommend you to install these things. It will be very helpful to do program if you are an expert. Okay, if you are not an expert, do not install these things. I'll always recommend you guys to do it via code. You have to type and enter code yourself. Okay, that will be memorized very easily. But mainly these are the extensions will help you to do codes very fast. Okay, this better line will help you to align your code. Okay, this is a blade template. Okay, Laravel workers use this as a blade template. It will help you to do blade codes very easily. Okay, these are the main extensions you can install on your system. Okay, this is the one code editor for doing code. Okay, another things also available, but VS Code is mostly widely used nowadays. Okay, this is another. I will show you another thing that I am installed on my system. Okay, that's LVim. This is an updated version of NeoVim. Okay, NeoVim is also a test editor. Basically, it's a test editor. Not NeoVim is an updated thing. It's a Vim. Vim. Lots of users were using Vim to program. Okay, because that is very convenient way for lots of software developer to do on Vim. Okay, this is after that there are some open source people introduce NeoVim. There are some updation going on NeoVim. So there are lots of NeoVim updations are out. Okay, I installed an updation called LunarVim. Okay, this is the LunarVim. I can also use this thing to configure my system. Okay, you can see there are plugin sections. Okay, just plugin section. You can see the installations, updation, everything is there. Okay, these are the plugins already installed on my LunarVim. Okay, this is another way to install those plugins. Okay, I think my keyboard has been disconnected. This is happening to me. Okay, now is connected. Okay, I'll show you. There is a package called Mason. Okay, Mason. Just click and enter Mason. Here you can see lots of plugins available. On plugin, I can show you one plugin is called IntelliFence. Okay, there is CSS LSV. Another things. Another one is HTML lint. Okay, Java, Kotlin. There are lots of JSON LSVs. There are lots of LSVs available. Okay, IntelliSense LSP. Or you can see in Laravel Blade LSP. Where is that Blade LSP? Okay, this is a Blade format to help you to do the Blade templates things. Okay, you can also try this thing. This is very highly advanced way of doing programming. Okay, programming editor. This is a highly advanced programming editor. There's a lot of advantages rather than using VS Code. Okay, so you can try either VS Code or this NeoVim or LunarVim. Okay, you can also try NeoVim. This is an updated form of NeoVim that's called LunarVim. LunarVim makes that editor is very crazy and easily to configure and do all the steps. Okay, I am doing via using VS Code now. Okay, I already show you that these are the extensions you have to install to your system to work with your Laravel projects. Okay, that's it guys.